Right, let's dive into the world of molding, where raw sand transforms into intricate castings and every decision matters. If you're a molder, you know it's equal parts science, art, and sweat. But with the right approach, you can master it. First up, planning and prep. Before you even touch the sand, check your drawings. I always triple check dimensions and tolerances. There's no room for error. Review the metal's metallurgy because the right alloy makes all the difference. Then run your sand analysis. I'm talking moisture, grain size, and strength. Get that wrong and you're setting yourself up for headaches later. Next, setting up the kit. I lay out every tool and consumable I'll need. Patterns, core boxes, strickles, you name it. Safety gear on, no shortcuts. Then I check the sand plant and molding equipment. Make sure it's all running smoothly and do those first line maintenance checks. Now, producing the molds and cores. For manual or machine produced cores, I always double check the mix and compaction. If I'm assembling cores, it's all about accuracy. A wonky core means a useless casting. I close the mold carefully, making sure every join is sealed. Time to pour, not quite. I monitor equipment indicators, inspect the mold, and make sure everything's spot on. Only then do I give the green light. But it doesn't stop there. I'm constantly watching for casting defects. Gas holes, misruns, cold shuts, you know the drill. If something's off, I problem solve on the fly. Maybe it's the sand composition, maybe the metal temp, maybe a dodgy vent. Whatever it is, I adjust and keep things moving. Maintenance is key. I schedule regular checkups, keep spares close, and never ignore a weird noise or indicator light. It's about pride in your work and safety for the team. And remember, communication is everything. Whether you're prepping for a changeover or sorting out quality issues, keep your mates in the loop. That's what keeps production smooth and safe. Mastering molding isn't just about following steps. It's about knowing why every step matters. Think ahead, stay sharp, and you'll turn sand and metal into something brilliant every single time.